Hi, I'm doing a little bit of renovation research. You might remember a couple of weeks back I showed you I'm going to put in a clay floor. So I want to give you a little bit of a heads up of what to expect. If you've been watching and following this renovation for some time, you'd know that I love clay plaster and you know that I love the sheep's wool. So yes, I'm going to get back to putting more sheep's wool in the walls with the next stage of the renovation, so there's going to be a lot more of that coming. But also, I will get back into more of this reed matting. Now I'm going to put two types of reed matting. I'm going to buy quite a lot of this in Finnish. It's called Kaisla. We actually have some near the cottage, but I'm not going to start harvesting it myself and trying to put it together. Maybe that's something I can do in the future. But one on the log walls. I did this a couple of years ago now. So I'll put more of that thin reed matting on the log wall. And then you just clay straight over the top of that, and you end up with a clay coat. There isn't a sort of a jute fabric you put in between, but you end up with a good kind of 2.5 to 3 centimeters of clay. I'm definitely going to do that again on the exterior walls. And then down in the cellar, I'm actually going to go with something like this. It's a reed board, so it's a very thick 5 centimeter board. I'm looking at 2 lots of 5 centimeters to give me 10 centimeters of reed board, and that will be some insulation in the basement. But I'll detail this as I go along, and you end up with something like this. So you have the reed board, and then you just plaster straight over the top. And then you might end up with a couple of centimeters worth of clay, maybe some jute fabric in there as well, and that'll give a nice finish to the interior walls down in the cellar. I'm going to continue with demolition tomorrow in the cellar. It's basically just a whole lot of cleanup. But the plan is in the coming week to demolish the upstairs part of the other half of where we live. And that's why I'm looking at materials right now. So I wanted to let you know I'm starting to figure out exactly how much I need and put the order in, because I've got a feeling construction is coming. And so is tomorrow. I better go. I'll see you tomorrow. I need to sleep sometime. I'll do that now. Bye.